Hi everyone, welcome to Be First to Copy. So today we are going to install a local AI model on Ollama. So first open Ollama. As you can see, this there is it. So the last time we have installed Gamma 1 billion parameter. It was working quite great. As you can just ask anything like how are you? I'm just asking that. Let's see what is like. He's saying that I'm doing well. So it's giving the response. If you ask questions like what is 2 minus 6, you can see it's saying that here's a little something occupy because sequence. Oh, I don't understand that. I just say like that. Okay, so we have installed gamma 3 1 billion parameter, and it's working quite great. As you can see, it's really fast. Now we are going to install gamma 3 point this 4 billion parameter. Okay, just click. As you can see, nothing happens. I can't copy. Okay, full screen. For some reason, let's say if you can't able to download from here, like say if you just click here and downloading is not starting. Okay, I can't see anything. It means that downloading is not starting. Then what you can do? You can just go to that website's page like Ollama. Okay, here click on models, and we want to install Gemma. Just search here Gemma 3. So as you can see then Gemma 3, I want to install like this one, Gemma 4. So copy that. As you can copy, now open. As you can, let me see if there's any option like there is no option like installing from here as far as I know. Settings, no. Okay, so you can just open terminal, just search terminal, open it. Now you just write like a Ollama pull, and that name of that let's say the name was let me change it first. It is a 4 billion, so okay, you can just paste it. So click here. Now you say it is pulling the manifest, and after that it will start downloading. So wait for that. As you can see, it's around 3.3 GB, so it will take around a lot of time, so just wait till then. If you're facing this kind of issue like error, it's showing after certain percent of downloads. As you can see here in 25%, it's showing error that max is exceed. So let's find out how we can fix that. So copy this and just search on Google. Okay, just directly paste that, and as you can see we are not getting any result of that. So just ask AI tools. Let's just say that and just say how to fix it. So it's saying that handshake timeout error when trying to fetch resource from URL. Okay, check network issues, ensure resources, update software libraries. So let's try again. It's saying that it's problem with that internet DNS provider, and other things also matters. So if you are facing that problem, try to disconnect your internet once again and try to connect again. Let me see, I connect it. Now let's try again. 4 billion parameter amount download. Just start. I can see an activity monitor. Let me check activity. So where you last stop, it will start from there, so you don't have to worry about it. As you can see here, it started for 27th. It's the 29th right now. So as you can see the network here, I can see from here that if there's any internet issue or not. So I'm getting around uh, you can see here that amount of internet, and also I'm sending that amount. I'm not sure about this, so let's see. Let's wait again for a couple of minutes. Let's see that how it's and how long it will take to be complete. So as you can see that again I got the same column, and it just discounted after 31%. Let me retry again. I believe that time was some network issue. Let me try once again. So I just write it down and it's pulling. Okay, so it started from 31%, 32, 3. So it's saying it took some time around. Just wait and see that when is get completed. So as you can see that the download has been completed. Now just open your Ollama, as we already open it here. So as you can see here, it's saying Gemma3 4 billion parameter, and there's a no downloading option. So it means that it's downloaded here. Now ask some questions. Let's say, who are you? Simple question. And there's something I want to show you. Activity monitor, and go for memory. As you can see that Ollama now right now using around 4 GB of RAM. As you know, the model is around 3.3 GB, and I believe that's why it's using around 4 GB of RAM. I'm using M1 MacBook, so it's swapping around 2 GB of RAM from my SSD. As you can see, the 8 GB RAM physical that's being used, and 2 GB from SSD. As you can see here, it's providing the answer, and it's slow compared to 1 billion parameter. It's really slow, and that you can know that because it's only 8 GB, and as you can see here, constantly it's getting 2 GB from the storage, and around 4 GB it's using it. As you can see here, it's using around 4 GB of RAM. So even if you close all the tabs, let me close all of them. Quit, VS Code, quit, terminal, quit. Okay, now everything is quit. Okay, now even you see that a small amount is, Chrome also consuming a lot of RAM. Okay, so just I close everything apart from let me quit this one. I close everything apart from Ollama and activity monitor. Okay, now let's ask something else. Hello world, write in JS code. I want to see that how it's going to write the code. Okay, it was fast. Okay, as you can see, it's using around 4 GB of RAM. Now let's add something. Create an HTML5 template for personal website. So let's see. So as you can see, it is writing that. So as you can see that it is really slow. I would recommend you that if you really want to use locally, then you need a really powerful computer for that. You can't do in a laptop, at least not in M1 MacBook. As you can see, it's really slow. You can just use another AI models that's available online, like a Gemini, ChatGPT, or there's many more. So you go for that. I would not recommend that you should go for that because it's really slow. As you can see here, it is using around 4 GB of RAM, and I'm sure about it, your laptop gonna be hit if you use for a long time. So as you can see here, around 4 GB RAM, even then it's really slow. I believe it will take around more than 2 or 3 minutes or more than 5 minutes just to write a code. So it is really slow. I would not recommend you that you should use this model on your M1 MacBook if your laptop has a 8 GB RAM or 256 GB storage, because in order to run any AI model you need RAM. At least it's recommended to get around 32 GB of RAM. In a 16 GB RAM you can manage in most of models like 8 billion parameter models you can, but 32 GB RAM you can do it quite well. As you can see that it's taking a lot of time just to write a code. So I will not recommend that you should go for it. Okay, and that is all about this video. I just wanted to show you that you wanted to run 4 billion parameter AI model on your MacBook M1. If it's a 8 GB RAM, then it's gonna take more time, and it will consume you a lot of time. You can just use a free online AI models available like a Gemini, ChatGPT. It's much better for you. So as you can see, that's really slow. So thank you for watching this video.